Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. So today we are going to make this delicious and beautiful sausage stew together with sweet potatoes. So let's move into it. In my pan, I'm just adding some cooking oil and then I'll add my chopped sausages into it. After adding, I'll just give it a stir and let this fry for 2 minutes. Then afterwards, I'll quickly add some chopped onions. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. I'll be glad to read your comments in the comment section below. Now I'm just adding some chopped tomatoes, my green bell pepper and chili pepper. Then together, I'll let this fry for 2 minutes before I go ahead to add any other ingredients. This is a very delicious stew that if you prepare it well, you will really enjoy it. So I've just added some fish and I'm adding salt and seasoning cube. I'll give it another stir again. Then I will let it fry for 1 minute before I go ahead to add my tomato paste into it. This stew can be paired with rice, banku, kinky, and a whole lot of other dishes. So do try it and you will love it. After adding my tomato paste, I'm just giving it a stir so that everything is mixed thoroughly well. Then afterwards, I'll let this fry for 5 to 7 minutes before I switch off my flame. You can see how beautiful this looks. The taste is so great. So now what I'll do is that my oil is too much. I'm just going to take the excess oil away. Remember, too much oil too is not good for our health. So I just needed this plenty oil to make the stew. Afterwards, I'll just scoop the excess oil and set it aside so that I may use it next time if I want to prepare something else. So at this point, my stew is almost done. And so I'll just switch off the flame and go ahead to prepare my cooked sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to scoop this into my bowl and then set it aside. This is so nice to watch and delicious to eat. So these are my sweet potatoes. I have washed them. I bought it from the market. So this is it. I just chopped them into smaller pieces. I'm going to give it another wash. Then afterwards, I'll be adding some salt, water, and I'll place it on the flame again for it to get cooked. Please don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video on this channel. I have lots and lots of content on this channel. Please do try to check them out and you'll be happy watching them. Now my potatoes are cooked. It doesn't take much time for it to cook. Less than 15 minutes. My potatoes are cooked. So I'm just going to serve it with my stew. And you can see that everything looks so yummy, presentable, and attractive. Hope to see you next time on this channel. Bye.